Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the solution of quadratic equations. Solution of quadratic equation means finding its roots, finding the values of x which satisfy the given equations. So what are the methods of solution of quadratic equation? We have three different methods. Methods of solution of quadratic equation, they are: number one, by factorization. Number two is by completing the perfect square. And number three is by quadratic formula. What is the factorization method? Let's learn that. When we find the solution of quadratic equation by factorization means if the equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we know that we have to multiply a and c and then split the middle term according to the factors of a into c. This you have learnt in the previous classes. Let's take some examples of this, like x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Here a is 1, c is 12. So we have a into c is equal to 1 into 12, that is 12. And b is 7. So we want the factors of 12 such that their sum is 7. If it is plus, then the sum of them is to be equal to 7. If this is minus, then the difference of that should be equal to the middle term. So here we find 12 has the factors 3 and 4. 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So we can write this as x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. Here we get x common, this is x plus 3, plus 4 common, this is also x plus 3 equal to 0. And then when we take x plus 3 common, we are getting here x plus 4 is the second factor equal to 0. Now we will take these two factors one by one as 0. We say if x plus 3 equal to 0, it means x is equal to minus 3. Then we say if x plus 4 equal to 0, it means x is equal to minus 4. Why it is so that we have taken them one by one as 0? Why it is so? Because if we have any two numbers a and b which are real numbers and we find a into b is equal to 0, this is possible only if either a is 0 or b is 0 or a and b both are 0. One of the factor has to be 0, then only the product can be 0, otherwise not, and this is the only reason that we take one factor and find the roots of the equation. So here we find the roots of the equation are minus 3 and minus 4. Therefore we write roots of the equation are minus 3 and minus 4. This is the answer to the question. Now let's learn about different forms of the quadratic equation and their roots. We have already learned that if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then a is not equal to 0. But we have gone some for cases. Number one, we had if b is equal to 0, then the equation is ax square plus c equal to 0. Let's learn about this now. this will have ax square is equal to minus c, or we can say x square is equal to minus c upon a, which implies that x is equal to root of minus c upon a, and we know the square root of any of the number is plus or minus. It means for this type of equation, what we have, the roots are equal but opposite in sign. The roots are equal but opposite in sign. The second case we can take, if c is equal to 0, then we know the equation is ax square plus bx equal to 0. If we take x common, it is ax plus b equal to 0. It means this has two factors, x and ax plus b. It means this will imply that either x is equal to 0 or ax plus b equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to minus b upon a. And hence what we can say, if c is equal to 0, then one root of the equation will be always 0. It means for ax square plus bx equal to 0, one root is always 0. So these are the properties we can have if any one of the part of the equation is 0 or any one of the coefficient of the equation is 0. To understand this better way, let's take some examples. Like for the first one, if I take, this is 25x square minus 4 equal to 0. What we will have? We can write here 25x square is equal to 4. It means x square is equal to 4 upon 25, or we can say x is equal to plus minus root of 4 upon 25, which is equal to plus minus 2 upon 5. Therefore, the roots of the equation are 2 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 5. You can see they are equal in numerical value, but they have opposite signs. Why it is so? Why we are having the equal values with the opposite signs? We can do it by other method. By second method, we can also do it. 25x square minus 4 equal to 0 can be written as square of 5x minus square of 2 equal to 0. It means a square minus b square can be applied here, and we know a square minus b square, the factors of it are a plus b into a minus b. So can we write this as 5x plus 2 into 5x minus 2 equal to 0? Then if we take one of the factor as 0, we are taking if 5x plus 2 equal to 0, it means x will be minus 2 upon 5. And if 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, it means x is equal to plus 2 upon 5. And hence again we can say that the roots are plus 2 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 5. We go for the second one. What we had, this is the first one, we go for the second one here. Second one we had when c is equal to 0. Let's take one question based on that. Suppose we have 5x square minus 3x equal to 0. Then we get x as the common number, and we will have here 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Again two factors, the product of which is 0. So we can say either x is equal to 0 or 5x minus 3 equal to 0, which says that x is equal to 3 upon 5. So the roots of the equation are 0 and 3 upon 5. So what we have seen in this type of case, we are finding one of the factor is 0. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.